alleged food poisoning in midday meal. Firstly, the school administration they rejected the allegation and they claimed that the children fell sick after attending the village fest. Later, the surgeon claimed that it was due to the food poisoning.
But Shri, what is the role of a civil surgeon or a doctor in case of poisoning? They could have informed to nearby police station.
No. As a doctor, even need to have some of the duties to play in the poisoning cases.
Then, what are the duties of a doctor in a poisoning cases?
Yes. Come, let's discuss these points with our medicos.
For any poisoning cases, there are two aspects. First one is the medical aspect. In medical aspect, the care and treatment of the patient to save the life of the patient in poisoning cases is the first and foremost duty of the doctor. In second one is the legal aspect. In legal aspect, to assist the doctor, to assist the police officer to determine the manner of poisoning is the second duty.
Note preliminary particular of a patient like name, age, sex, occupation, address, date and time, brought by whom, identification marks and history.
Suspected homicidal poisoning, the doctor must confirm his suspicion before expressing a decision. For this he should collect vomitous urine and subject it for analysis, and next he should carefully observe any changes regarding the food, for example any changes in the color or any changes in the taste or smell, and next doctor should consult in a strict with the senior practitioner, and next keep him about information, and next if the patient in some cases if the patient refuses, and remove the patient from the hospital. Once the suspension is confirmed, he should request the patient to the removal of the patient to the higher hospital, and in case of the victim, it is desirable to take the consent. Sorry.
A government medical officer is required to report to police all the cases of suspected poisoning, either accidental, suicidal, homicidal, attending in the hospital.
If the medical practitioner is summoned by the investigational officer, then he should reveal all the information regarding the case under the section 175 CRPC. If he conceals the information, then he is liable for the prosecution under the section 202 IPC. If he gives the false information during the judicial proceedings, then he is liable for the charges under the section 193 IPC.
If the private practitioner is sure that the patient is suffering from suicidal or accidental poisoning, he is not bound to inform the police. Since section 309 of IPC, attempt to commit suicide is not included in the section of IPC for which information has to be given under section 39 CRPC.
If condition of patient is very serious, we should make arrangement to record the death declaration.
If patient dies, he should not issue death certificate, should inform police.